welcome everybody to the channel. This is Attuned. My name is John, and we are gonna build stuff out of stuff lying in the backyard. We're gonna upgrade this computer into a gaming monster. Okay. We're gonna take this fan blade and make an airplane. Okay, maybe not. We're going to make a picture frame table with tires under it. Okay, listen. I intended this channel to be an engineering channel. I don't know what all kind of engineering. If we're going to build stuff out of junk, fix cars. But let's start with junk. This is a typical South Carolina backyard. Some extra bikes back here. Let's weld a couple bikes together. Do you think it could work? Do you think? Do you think that one of the brakes will bind or something like that? Do you think you could ride this? Do you think it will work? Nah, I could admit it needs some paint and it needs some stuff. That's okay. We could put a body shell on this and it would look really awesome. I think it would. There. Seems to go back and forth though. But yeah, this is what this channel is, you know, it's just, it's going to be doing stuff. Hopefully we're going to be doing some bigger, crazier, newer stuff. Things, there is a plan on doing some things that other channels have never done before. And I don't want to reveal those things, obviously. But yeah, it's going to be exciting. Should be fun. But, you know, in the meantime, you know, look at my awesome welds. They're horrible. I know. They were, I have no gas, and this is at the time I was just barely tacking things together, and then I was going back and adding more tack, and then I would go back, and this is the ugliness that it turned into. What's bad is, like, I've made good welds before. I used to put on mufflers for people and stuff, but I don't know. This is the crappy little welder I have here at this place, and yeah, it works. It's not the greatest. It's a Harbor Freight thing, you know. But we'll do some more stuff, you know, like that. And I want to do an electric car conversion as well. We're going to do that in a unique manner as well. We're going to do that in a way nobody's ever done before. So you definitely want to stick around for that. That's going to be, and it's going to be economical. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be unique and economical. A little bit of paint. Got a little bit of paint on it now. A little bit of paint. How is it? How is this working? They're quite simple, people. They're quite simple. We linked it together. Can you see? Can you see it? Can you see it? Do you see the magic happening? Can you see it? I don't think they can see it. So yeah, there's going to be lots of things happening on this channel, I hope, you know, it's pertaining to engineering stuff. At one point I tried to make a grill for the Durango. It's actually an ongoing project. We have not finished this. We plastered coat wheels, show off some bent axles and what happens with those, and why that happened, and plan on doing some performance upgrades on some vehicles, you know, some car stuff. People like some car stuff, you know. Maybe show off how extreme some damage can be. This was on that same vehicle, you know, different things like that. But I don't want to be like, this was my original thought was going to be to fix this grill, and just take all the stuff and fix the cracks, and then or do something, because I wanted a big opening here, you know, and I wanted to almost just leave it like this. I think this looks really good. I really do. Plasti dipped the hood, you know, and we changed the headlights here on the Durango. Just, you know, simple modifications. You can see the fog lights falling apart down there off. Anyway, so yeah, this is me trying to cut this grill out of there. Oh, this trailer here in the background too. We're going to turn that into a some sort of camper like thing. As I got this camper shell thing, and gonna see if we can get that onto that trailer, turn it into something a little redneckish. I'll try not to do rednecky things though. Oh, look who I ran into though. Got this guy at the gas station. Gave him some money. He said, "Oh, you know, if you give me some money, you can take some pictures." I said, "Okay." I guess that's how it works. That's cool, man. What's your name again?
Oliver.
Oliver?
All right.
Thanks. I'll make you on Twitter or something. And I did. I put them up on my my Twitter for my gaming channel at the time. I don't have a Twitter yet for this yet. I don't know if I'm gonna make one. We'll see. I did put them on my Facebook. There's a Facebook page. I'll put links in the description below. But yeah, this is the channel. This is it. You know, stick around, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Notifications, that way you know one day we're going to be building a flying saucer. I feel it. You know. I mean, theoretically, you know, get two opposing spinning coils with enough mercury in them with the right voltage and the right resonance. We generate the right field to hide mass within the universe so that we can move it anywhere. Something like that. Something crazy. Anyway, that's what this channel is going to be about. Not so much sane, but a little bit crazy. No, kind of sane, but more crazy. Kind of crazy, but sane. In a crazy way. It's going to be funny too.